constantly contemplative on the body, mindful and alert. They aware of their defilements. Dhammapad 293. Constantly contemplative on the body, mindful and alert. They aware of their defilements. Dhammapad 293. If one were to practice constantly on the mindfulness of the physical reality, maintaining steady attention on what has to be done, they will shun what should not be done. The blemishes of those mindful, alert will get eroded. But those who always practice well bodily mindfulness do never what should not be done and ever do what should be done. Dhammapad 293. For mindful ones, the full aware pollutions fade away. Dhammapad 293. Je hancha susuma rodha nityang kayagata sati akinchang te no sevanti kitche sataccha karino satanong sampo jananong attha gachanti asava. Dhammapad 293.